A new law is failing to help sick children in North Carolina. It's nice to have you here at 6. I'm Maureen O'Boyle.
And I'm Paul Cameron. Welcome. Here's the image we remember from last July. The governor signing a hemp oil bill into law. He was surrounded by sick children who could possibly benefit.
The medicine is made from marijuana, but most of the THC is removed, so no matter how much you take, you really can't get high. Molly Grantham did 6 months of stories, which were just recently awarded an Emmy last weekend. And Molly here is now with us in studio. You have a startling update to the story.
Here's the update, Maureen. The law has problems. Our first report on this medicine made from marijuana was 1 year ago this week, and we have not given up on the stories. Tonight, all new at 6 o'clock, families who say they feel tricked and the obstacles doctors say they face. Bethany Childers breathes softly during her nap, having no idea we're watching.
I feel like I'm running a hospital out of my house.
Mom, Abby Childers, tries to decorate with pink twinkle lights and butterflies. But the IVs and oxygen can't be ignored.
Every time you walk into her room, it's like it's in your face.
6-year-old Bethy has a catastrophic form of epilepsy.
Good job.
When we first met her last summer, she was having dozens of seizures a day. She's now having hundreds.
These past 5 months have been horrible.
Bethy is getting worse. Abby is at her wit's end. Says she feels cheated that a bill signed into law last July she thought would help Bethy.
It was probably the most emotional signing of a bill that I've had as governor.
Still hasn't helped anyone.
I was promised things that I didn't feel like I got.
The law gave permission to 4 universities to do clinical research on the hemp oils or CBD oils, Duke here being one of them. The law gave permission to the hospitals to do its research. It didn't require they do anything.
It really has little or no value.
The law has little or no value.
The law has little or no value.
Would you just call it a PR move?
It certainly may have been.
Dr. Rod Radke at Duke University Medical Center is one of the few medical professionals who agreed to speak with us about CBD oils coming to North Carolina. What do you think is the reluctance to make this drug so universally available?
You could turn the question the other way and say, why is there this irrational excitement about this product?
Dr. Radke is a science guy. He wants research and proof before assuming the oils are a miracle drug. Also, he says, as far as he knows, politicians didn't talk with hospitals before making this law.
It certainly is unusual and created problems.
For weeks, we've been asking Governor Pat McCrory's staff if we could talk with the governor about families saying they're disappointed in this law. Last July, he was excited to talk about it.
This was a grassroots effort.
Now, not so much. His staff repeatedly declined an interview. They did issue a statement saying, quote, "We opened the door by signing this legislation, but each university should speak for themselves as to why or why not studies are being done." So we asked each one. Duke University Medical Center will do a study months from now. It'll be small. Wake Health is in one now. UNC Healthcare will start 3 soon, and ECU has nothing in the works. All those studies will be of a pharmaceutical version of the medicine. No one is studying the natural version made from the plant.
It makes me so angry. I get chill bumps talking about it.
Anger for the Charlotte mom and frustration. This law was supposed to make North Carolina families stay.
Yes, yes, and bring families home.
And
bring
it's
families
not.
home. And it hasn't brought one family home yet. And it hasn't made one family satisfied yet.
She's so sweet. All hope is not lost. I talked with Representative Pat McElrath, who originally sponsored the bill. She said she is currently talking with people to help modify the language in the law to make it work. She says she will do what it takes to get this medicine more available to these kids whose families say they need it. Also, the governor's staff reached out saying when there is something to say, he will talk about it. First, a local mother is breaking the law to save her daughter. This is 6-year-old Bethany Childers. For the first time tonight, Bethany's mom illegally gave her daughter a strain of medical marijuana. That's what you're seeing right here. Her mom says she's trying to make a point. There is no other hope. Her daughter is dying. And regardless of what the North Carolina government says, this Charlotte mom says she's going to try CBD oils on her daughter. In fact, she already did. This exclusive story, all new at 11.
All right, here we go.
South Charlotte mom Abby Childers videotaped this moment. You are seeing Abby give her severely sick 6-year-old daughter CBD oils, a strain of medical marijuana. It's a liquid medicine made from cannabis, but no matter how much you take, you can't get high.
We can't wait any longer. You know, our daughter's going to die, and this is the last thing we have. It's the last hope we have.
Over the phone tonight, Abby said the final straw was a few weeks ago when Bethany's doctor said they'd run out of options, except for possibly this one medicine the doctor wasn't allowed to prescribe. It might work, it might not. Abby's a mom. Bethany's her daughter. Run out of options is all she needed to hear.
We're just holding out hope, and we are not giving up.
Abby is in a network of parents fighting for North Carolina to let all neurologists in the state prescribe hemp oil. Current law only allows 4 hospitals give it out in pilot studies. The medicine is not FDA approved.
Do you care that you're doing it illegally?
At this point, no. I mean, this is all I have. You know, at this point, you know, I don't know a parent that wouldn't.
Bethany, who has never been able to talk well, was weaned off some strong pharmaceutical drugs just to get ready to take the CBD oils. Abby says miraculously, just getting off those has made her daughter advance.
We've always been able to sing a song, You Are My Sunshine. In the past couple weeks, Bethany has started trying to sing it.
Trying to sing You Are My Sunshine?
And now she looks at us, and at the very end, she'll try to say to us, don't take my sunshine, don't take my sunshine.
We've been covering CBD oils in North Carolina for 17 months now. We've gone to Colorado. We've covered the excitement over the bill becoming law last year, and now how the law doesn't seem to be helping anyone. Multiple parents have contacted me over this time saying they are also giving their children CBD oils illegally. They just don't want to go public with that fact. Tonight, Abby is, she says, to make the point that trying to save your child shouldn't be a government decision.
Down a dirt road near horses, smack in the middle of expansive green grass. This is where Janelle Ralph is about to build a company.
We're in this field. There's absolutely nothing. Give me the vision for what we'll have back here.
Okay, so we're looking right now, and over here, we're looking at a 25,000 square foot greenhouse facility.
She'll be manufacturing hemp cannabis legally in South Carolina. Her plants will make CBD oil a strain of medical marijuana.
Yeah.
She would only do this interview on the condition we'd keep the location secret because of the controversy surrounding the plant.
It's just a fear. You know, it's always a fear.
Janelle says she hopes her business will someday resemble this grow we visited in Colorado last year, a place that will cultivate, produce, test, market, package, and sell hemp oil.
If you asked me 10 years ago if I was going to do this, I'd have told you were crazy. If you had asked me 6 months ago if I was going to do this, I would have told you were crazy.
What makes her want to do it now?
Okay, girl.
Pretty easy answer.
What are you doing today?
She's 5. She's Janelle's daughter. Her name is Harmony.
You know, this is something that has been so beneficial for her, and it was so hard to get.
Harmony has a genetic condition that causes lots of seizures. Last October, Janelle got her daughter CBD oils the same way lots of parents who don't want to admit it get them, through an underground black market.
Constantly begging people out in areas where it's legal to find whatever they can find and get it to us.
It's a mommy network.
Yeah. It is. It really, honestly, it's a mommy network. That's exactly what it is.
But supply wasn't consistent. Harmony suffered. Janelle said, forget it.
It got to the point that either we do it ourselves or we just sit back and continue to be taken advantage of.
Janelle is determined to do this on the up and up. South Carolina's vague hemp oil law says you can grow, you just need a license. She has helped forge the way to define what that really means. So far, so good.
So you've jumped through hoops to make this happen. Do you still think there's a chance that you could be shut down?
Oh, yeah. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, every day we worry about it.
The worries, the fear, and many obstacles.
This isn't luxurious. This isn't, I'm in debt, completely in debt.
But she is spurred on by her daughter's progress.
Hey.
Harmony is most certainly her inspiration. So much, her name is on the bottle.
Palmetto Harmony.
Palmetto
Yeah.
Harmony, named after your daughter.
Yeah. Yep. And Palmetto for the state. I mean, we don't want to leave South Carolina. This is my state. This is my home.